Hello friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you when a hangman hangs the prisoner, is that hangman is exempted from any criminal liability, and if he is exempted from any criminal liability, then what is the provision? This question was asked in Delhi Judicial Services and the answer of the question is section 78. It says, act done in pursuant to the judgment or order of the court. It means that if a person is doing any act in terms of a judgment or order and doing that particular act in good faith, then that person will be exempted from the criminal liability. So here the hangman is basically hanging the prisoners in terms of judgment and order. Therefore, he in good faith following the judgment or order of the court is following the direction that this prisoner must be hanged, and the hangman is hanging that prisoner. Therefore, he is exempted from any criminal liability in terms of section 78 of Indian Penal Code. Thank you so much.